Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For a free of charge guidance, please visit www.guardsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
How are you guys? New, yeah? New and old, yeah? Old, new, old, yeah? Okay, how are you? Everybody feels good? Behind there, new or old? New also? Oh, so many new. So you are sitting well, yeah? I can. And your neighbor also? It's like this, huh? Together, huh? Very united we stand, huh? It's funny, how come they say united we stand, but here united we all fall. At least half, 50% falling. Yesterday some Thai people are still here? From yesterday? Today no new, huh? No, okay. How is Thailand doing? ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณมากๆค่ะ คุณยิงสวยมากๆ Thailand people, raise hand. Did you understand my Thai? Or you think I was speaking German, huh? No, you did not understand? Huh? See or yes or no? Yes. So. Because you have to say it loud so people think I know good Thai, otherwise I'm embarrassed here. Anything good? Yes. Except seeing me. Anything better?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
What? Tell me. My God. The way you look at me. I'm so shy. The way you look at me, I think I'm going to be eaten, you know? So scary.
他爱吃不了。
爱怎么那个样子嘛 Hey, you guys okay? Old people? You okay? I'm asking these guys. I'm not asking you. You okay? Now you don't tell.
Master, I forgot sort of an easy thing people can do. I got together with a group of women, 4 women. They weren't initiates, they were all vegan. And we started a group called Veg Mondays.
Veg Monday.
instead of Meatless Mondays. We called it Veg Mondays.
Yeah, I understand.
And we made a website, and then we would go to companies. Like a lot of companies have health. They want to promote good health. Like, so once a month they have an event.
Yeah.
So we would go to these companies, and they would give us a day, and we would come in and just give
Where
out
is
vegan
that?
food samples.
I know you where, but the people don't know where you.
Oh, I'm sorry, Rochester, New York. So we would go in and...
The way they talk, you know, American woman.
sorry. Sorry, Master.
It's all right. No, I don't mean. I mean, it's just
I talk fast.
common, not an offense.
So
Okay.
yeah, so they would have their employees come down, and we would give them like vegan sausage and soy milk, and we'd give them a vegan starter kit and little samples of like food, and we would put out all the packages. And for them to take the food, they had to take the vegetarian starter kit. And also we would go to local libraries, often have spaces where you can put up displays for a month. So we'd put up a vegan display. And
I'm listening.
Okay.
I just have to
So we would
look at
go to,
them.
like, we went to the Rochester City Hall, and all their employees came down and got vegetarian
City
food
Hall people?
samples. Yeah, and they all got vegetarian food samples.
They don't say you will anything.
No, and they would be all excited. They'd say, "Oh, I always wanted to try soy milk, but I didn't want to buy it in case I didn't like it." And so they'd be really excited to try all the different things. And then when we saw some people later, they said everybody was talking about it all day, all the different vegetarian foods.
Wow.
Yeah, and we went to several different companies and colleges, and I've moved away now, but it was a very simple thing to do.
If you have the money to offer,
Well, so
yes.
we'd write to the companies whose food we were giving out and say, we want to introduce people to your products. And so they would send us coupons for free packages.
I see.
And there was also an organization that would fund vegan food giveaways. So they would cover some of it.
Wow.
Yeah, so it wasn't very difficult.
And where is it? This company. They can cover some of the thing here.
Yeah. So it was not, there were only 4 or 5 of us, and we probably fed quite a few people and introduced them to
I'm
veganism.
just joking, okay? We don't take gifts from people. You understand, right? Yes. Okay. But when I say I'm pretty and young, that is not a joke. It's a dream. It's not a joke. It's a dream. I'm dreaming. Yeah, what else?
So it was very good. Like, people would say, "Oh, but I can't raise my kids vegan," and we would have like 3 moms there who were all raising their kids vegan and could answer their questions. And I thought it was very easy, not too much work. I only had 4 or 5 people, but we'd feed hundreds, and the company was backing us up, so that was nice too.
Ah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Good news. Good example. Okay. Anyone else? Here? Here. Oh, behind there? Okay, you wait. Lady first. That's why I'm a lady master now. It's easier, Not really. No.
Hi, Master.
Hi.
I'm from Sydney, Australia. At work, January this year, one of the managers, and he told me that he became a vegetarian. He can't eat meat anymore.
How come?
And for ethical reasons, he said.
Very
I said,
good.
wow, that's really good. So I
Excellent.
sent him a lot of links and information and had a look. And we've got another colleague, and one day he just asked me, he said, "Helen, you know anything about meditation?" I said, "Yeah, what would you like to know?" He said, "I just want to cleanse myself from top down, from inside out." I said, "Oh, that's really good." So I sent him SMTV links and all the websites information. He started a vegan diet already. Now he's waiting for initiation.
Wow. So he's your disciple.
It's masters. Yeah, it's masters.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah. And also, one of my relatives or families in China, and in Spring Festival early this year, I gave them a call and say, "How's everything going? How do you celebrate your Spring Festival?" And the family member, the uncle, told me, he said, "Oh, we're having everything, meat and chicken and duck and fish." And I said, "What?" Because I passed them the message about vegan or vegetarian diet already. So when I rang them, and he told me, "Oh, we're, having chicken, duck and fish and everything." So what are you talking about? He said, "Don't worry, it's all fake."
Veggie duck, huh?
Yes, it's
vegan
very
chicken.
encouraging. It's very.
Yeah.
I just feel like people are more accepting, and it's happening much quicker.
Wonderful.
Much quicker.
Good
At work
news.
as well. Recently, one
Good
of the
news.
sisters she compiled a book. It's called Plant-Powered Men. So basically, it's all the men included in the book. They talk about their experience as a plant-based men.
Yeah.
And so I give a lot of copies to my colleagues, and they were so happy to receive the book.
Yeah.
I said, definitely I'll have a read. And
Power man, huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
and one of the managers,
Veg power man.
our offices spread over different suburbs. So each suburb, I send them a copy.
Yeah.
And then one of the managers, again, he called me from another office. He said, I'm really appreciative of the book. Thank you so much for thinking of me. And definitely I'll read it and think about it. Yeah.
Uh-huh, good.
So it's very, very good.
Very good.
Yeah,
Now
thank
make
you,
another
Master.
one. Veg power woman.
My whole world's changed, and I feel happier, and I feel really grateful and inspired.
Because I love them and I care about them.
Changed my life. One, I'm healthier.
It actually benefits the entire planet.
We now know that animal agriculture is the biggest contributor to climate change.
They feel as we feel. And it's not good for the human soul and for the world for us to mistreat them.
Shakyamuni Buddha, Jesus Christ, St. Francis of Assisi, Leonardo da Vinci, Shania Twain, Leo Tolstoy, Albert Einstein, Alicia Silverstone, Tobey Maguire, Joaquin Phoenix, Pamela Anderson. What do these distinguished people of the past and present have in common? They represent the circle of vegetarian and vegan elite and some of the most gifted and accomplished people in the world.
It's up to all of us to speak up for the animals. They have no voice. and there are terribly, horrifically cruel things being done to them on a daily basis that are absolutely unnecessary and that are also very bad for human health. I think we're at the cusp of a huge revolution in eating, and people are really starting to wake up to the cruelty in factory farming.
If a deer ran out in the road when you're driving, you'd swerve to avoid it,
Right.
because you don't want to hit the deer. But yet you would eat a cow. I think it really is fundamentally unnatural.
We are vegan, as you would be if you went and saw what happens to animals when they are prepared for food. It is absolutely should be against the law. It's just the most heartbreaking thing in the world. So no one should be eating animals. Everyone should be saving and rescuing animals instead. And vegan food is delicious on top of that.
I am vegan because it's the healthiest way to eat. So I'm vegan. You should be too.
They are some of the countless noble examples of compassion and wisdom. So keep in good company with the noble circle of vegetarian and vegan elite. And the list goes on. Please visit www.suprememastertv.com/VE for further club list and info. Choose veggie and join the club.
Hi, Master.
Hi.
I'm from London, and two pieces of good news. One is my wife and I just got back from Vietnam.
Oh,
and we did
what do you do there?
We were doing some fundraising for orphanages.
In Vietnam?
Yeah. So we went to two orphanages in Rat Ya, which is the south, and two in Nha Trang. So that's what
Successful?
Yeah, lovely.
You
Amazing.
You have orphanage, how you say, management there?
Yeah, there's different groups, so we just go and help them. So we find the ones that kind of need the most help. So that's the one.
Good job. Good job.
That's one of the good news. And the
how
other
much
one,
did you get? That's the thing.
How much money?
How much money did you get before you go?
Oh, I got $7,000.
$7,000 US dollars, not pounds. Okay, that's not bad for Vietnam, right? Huh? There.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Goes a
How
long
much?
way.
Yeah, go a long way. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, that's good news enough. So good. Yeah. Next one.
The next one is I wanted to do something green for the environment, so I converted my diesel VW Golf to use waste vegetable oil.
How can we do that? Can you do that?
Yeah, you get
You do it yourself?
Yeah, I did it myself.
Please do it for me. Yeah. Because it's very difficult to buy this kind of thing, you know?
Yeah, it needs to be a special type of car, so it needs to be a certain year.
Smart car can do? No.
I think it's too new. Has to be a bit older because of
that
the
you
injection.
know a little bit better. Okay, understand. Okay,
Yeah.
forget it then. I don't go that often anyway. I just go here.
Oh, okay, that's quite close.
And the thing is, I have a hybrid car, you know?
That's quite good.
I have a hybrid car, but that car is too flashy. I bought it because it's eco-friendly. But then later I realized it's too flashy. People always look at it. So I just go with one of the center, you know, those third-hand car or whatever. Yeah. Dark color, but it's diesel, you know. It's more blend in for me. Even though I prefer environmental friendly. All my cars I bought for assistant and everything are hybrid. But for me, when I go long distance, I use it. People don't know me, but when I go to nearby, you know, the car seems to stand out like a sore thumb. So I just had to go whatever car that is not too shining. Yeah, that's the problem. Can you change a Renault, for example?
They have to be normally from about 2001 and before. Because
that is before.
Yeah, it has to be diesel and it has to be older.
Yeah, it's a second or third hand car, so it cannot be too new.
How far do you drive normally? Is it because if it's short, you normally have to get the vegetable oil up to heat, so you have to wait till it heats up.
How long heat up?
It's about has to heat up maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on the temperature.
5 minutes, maybe okay.
It's better for longer journeys.
Yeah.
We went to Wales, which was like 3.5 hours. all on
Okay,
vegetable oil.
understand. Oh, not too far. It's just that sometimes I can't wait 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I had to go now. Thing like that. Okay, huh? That's not too convenient. Thank you anyway. Very good.
Thank you.
But you can check out our car here. We have many cars to get people from the airport, big one, you know. So you check out if you can do anything.
No problem.
All right? If you cannot, then you just lose half an hour.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
check it out, okay? Yeah. Ah, right. It's not that I want luxury car or anything. It's just eco-friendly, you know? And also plenty room and easy to maintenance. Very Japanese car is hardly need maintenance. That's the reason I have them. You see? Just for this special situation. And plenty room for dogs. Dog toys, dog bed, dog food, dog blanket, dog. Yeah? All kind of things. I myself, I don't use much of that car except those documents or something I have to take with me. The rest, I can't even take clothes because we don't have room. Even a big car is enough. It's for dogs, dog stuff, yeah. Because dog stuff vegan, difficult to buy. Veggie bone and all that, so we have to stockpile a lot when we go on a long way in case it's a new country, you can't find where it is. All kind of thing like that, yeah. Mostly when I'm here, I just go with any car, any available car around, yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, thank you. Good idea. Very good, very good. Okay. Are you coming back to Vietnam again?
Yeah, we've actually considered moving over there.
Oh, how nice. Okay. Before you go, I just want to give you some more money so you can take over there. How much are you allowed to take with you?
I think it's $10,000 you're allowed to carry.
All right, good. Okay, that we can give. Nah? Okay? Office,
Thank you.
you have all my money. Can I have $10,000, please? Give it to this guy. Yeah. If you have dollars, you give dollars. If you don't have, you give equivalent in euro. Yeah, because if you give a lot, maybe they cannot take in. Okay? Right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, love. But you 2 people, so one can take 10,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then give 20.
Thank you.
It's nothing. It's a small thing. Okay. Yes, you want to say something more?
Thank you. No, that's all.
All right. Where's your wife? Is here?
No, she's not an initiate.
She's not, but she's
But
doing
she loves
this.
us.
It's okay. Don't worry. Yes, it's okay. I don't have to. I don't have to have an initiated wife. No. Very good. Okay, so you carry 10, she carry 10. That will be fine.
No
okay.
problem. Thank you.
And have a good time in Olac. Yeah.
It's amazing. We love it.
Beautiful country, huh? Yeah.
She's
Good food.
Vietnamese as well.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder. And it's a shame that she's not initiated and vegan. Is she vegan, by the way?
No.
Oh, man. What a disappointment. Vietnam, you speak Vietnamese?
Unfortunately not, but I'm gonna learn.
Okay, don't worry. You don't have to. But in Vietnam, we say the Buddha in your house is not like your own Buddha is not holy.
All right.
Something like that. I mean, he's not responsive. Yes. It means that your own people don't treat you as other people do. Just like Jesus say, who is my mother, who is my brother? Only the one who does the will of God are my family members. It's like that. Yes. Yeah, you'll be surprised as your own countrymen are not that responsive. Okay, tell her that's a shame. In any case, from me.
I'll tell her. I used to eat meat before, and then I
and you change and she doesn't. Okay, she's jealous with me, that's why. Is she prettier than I am? No. Don't tell her that. Just joking. Just joking. Your wife is always the most beautiful woman in the world. Yeah, tell her that. Yeah. More beautiful than your master or whoever. Yeah? Okay. Otherwise, you'll be in big trouble, boy.
Definitely, big trouble.
Telling the truth is okay, but diplomatic is sometimes better. Okay, next one. Get moving.
我是来自中国大陆，我有几个那个中国大陆的好消息跟师傅分享。
说，
就前2个月的时候，我参加了一家那个素食餐厅的有一个他那个新闻发布会。那在那个新闻发布会上面的话，那当时有一个中央电视台的一个那个新闻主编，然后他私下跟我说，跟我们说，跟我们几个人说，他说你们做素食应该对未来要很有信心。他说你们知道吗？我们的第一夫人嘛，也就是彭丽媛，她是个素食者，而且是一个佛教徒。因为这个消息在以前是不敢公布的，因为她的那个特殊的身份，又是中共的党员，又是第一夫人。然后呢，前2个礼拜的时候，我来之前的时候有看到一则就是那个新闻，那个新闻是讲到习近平在底下一个县城，他在调研的时候。然后他又公布了习近平的那个4个菜的那个菜的名字，全部是素的名字，就没有荤的。因为我们大陆可能对这个会比较敏感，所以他可能那个报纸就不会去渲染这个事情。但是因为我刚好碰巧知道他的太太是个素食者，所以我觉得这里面就可能是应该是一个很好的一个信息。
很好。
还有就是关于习近平，我想多说一点，就是说。因为我们那个师姐跟那个习近平的姐姐，她是从小一起长大。
总统的姐姐。
对，从小一起长大。
OK。
然后呢，她之前就是我们的师姐嘛，一直跟她说劝她要吃素，结果她都不听。然后过了一段时间，习近平的姐姐她就很兴奋的把我们的那个师姐叫到她家，她说我刚从西藏回来，我在西藏收获非常多，然后她说我学会了那个大拜，就是那个磕头，然后当场就当着很多人的面，就是做给他看。然后他说我要从今天开始要吃素了。西藏其实现在很多人吃素，因为09年的时候我那边有接待一个西藏来的那个伦波切，他是说我们汉人对那边西藏一般都有一个误解，认为他们不吃素，他说其实是很错误的。
有一些是吃素，我知道，
很多都吃素的。
不过不是说那个传统的，连以前呢，达赖喇嘛也不吃素啊。
没错。
很多和尚都不吃素，就是只有那个是叫那个 Oracle 和尚，他们会吃素的。
对
呀，OK，现在很多了。
对
太好了。
对，现在很多了。我碰到的好几个那个伦波切，他们都是要求他的弟子。就是一旦皈依他，就必须要吃素，
知道了。
然后
他们有看电视。
然后呢，谈到那个达赖喇嘛，就是说，习近平在今年年初的时候，又写了一封亲笔信给达赖喇嘛。就是这个不是官方的，是等于是他私人的那个，托那个尼泊尔政府转交给达赖喇嘛。其中信中有2个重要的信息，一个就是谈到，就是他父亲跟达赖喇嘛之间的这种交情，就是说他做那个晚辈的不会忘记这个。然后第2个很重要的信息，就希望达赖喇嘛能够回国安度晚年。然后紧接着，现在西藏就是政府对西藏有2个非常重大的一个改变。第一个改变就是允许西藏的那个寺庙能够悬挂就是达赖喇嘛的画像。以前是不能的，
现在 OK 了，
现在可以了，
太好了，世界和平。
对呀。第2个是就是说，如果寺院里面有发生什么纠纷，以前是一般是有武警会出面，现在是不允许，就是必须要由当地的政府协同那个高僧大德，然后和平的解决这个事情。就是这2个很大的变化。
好。
所以这个西藏以后应该是不会再出现那种这个那个宗教压迫这方面的事情。
好。
因为听说 因为这里面还有一个消息，就听说就他的父亲跟达赖喇嘛的私交很好，就是当年我们总统那个父亲，他年轻的时候跟那个达赖喇嘛的时候在交往的时候，达赖喇嘛有送给他一块手表，他终身佩戴着这块手表，所以他们有这种私人的关系。
OK。
所以还有一个彭丽媛，他的舅舅是以前国民党的高官。所以我们现在跟台湾的这种关系，政府释放了很多那个很好的这个善意，所以不应该不会再像以前那样。
Bravo 。Yeah。
还有就是习近平可能是我们有史以来最会微服私访的一位领导人。就是换上普通的人的衣服，然后到老百姓当中去了解民情
啊，
就是像以前
乾隆一样。
对，就是像这样因为他
好得很。
对，因为他当初在那个没有当上总统之前，就那个时候还只是当副手的时候，然后他跟他的姐姐就跟我们那个师姐有提到，他说他就是他弟弟。最大的愿望就是想要了解中国的人的需要是什么。他说：“如果我中国老百姓的需要我都不知道，我怎么能够为他们服务呢？”
当然。
然后他说这句话的时候，我们那个师姐当场眼泪就掉下来了。
哦，我也会。
对啊。然后那他姐姐就很奇怪，他说：“为什么就会？”他说我太感动了，因为中国终于有一位很好的领导。
是有明君的哈。
对，
太好了哦，谢谢上帝了。人民好才有明君，
对，
不能怪那个君王好不好，这都怪我们的了。
是
OK， 任何国家都一样，如果有不好的那个君王或是政府什么，这表示说有人民不大好的，没有做好的福报，也许前次没有做得好，这次也没有那个更改做得好的人，不够福报。所以政府不好，就是因为人民不好。我不可能每次都怪政府。我常说的要往内看看，为什么发生这个，发生那个。为什么政府不好啊？只要自己检讨，不是每次都批评政府而已，哪一个政府都一样OK，
还有就是我前段有接触了一家那个叫企业管理咨询公司，他们是专门给企业做培训和做咨询的。然后他们就在全国在推广一个叫做传统文化，就是因为他们在企业管理的时候，现在意识到，就是说以前我们推行的一种管理方法叫全面质量管理，他们发现如果人的道德品质如果没有变好，那个是没有用的。所以他们现在就在企业里面全面推行一种叫全面的伦理道德管理。就是一说就是要培训那个员工的那个道德品质那其中就是以我们中国传统文化就是孔孟之道，然后其中还有一个非常重要的内容就提到这个素食。我看到他们做的那个培训的时候，有一块就专门给企业的总裁做的培训，里面有一块就专门为什么要吃素和那个吃素的意义。然后他用的口号居然是我们的口号，就是开始吃素加入环保。我刚开始吓了一跳，我以为是我们同修，结果我发现不是。
这样
就觉得这个口号很好。
我们口号都是免费送给大家嘛，越多人用越好。OK， 谢谢。
谢谢。
好消息。好的很哈。政府现在越来越明亮越明了了，越来越好。我替你们高兴。不过我喜欢这个，现在政府了解那个方面也要应用了要教导那个人民如果全部大陆能够全部吃素的话，世界不得了，那世界一定会跟着的，懂不懂？如果大陆带动，这个时候，从这个时候这几年以后，那个中国会很那个红了 ，OK， 中国人了。然后我希望，中国大陆跟所有的中国人利用这个运气好的几天 就带动那个惊天动地的事情啊，比方说吃素这样啊，吃素环保，然后和平，跟大家和平。这样子的话，哎呀，几千万年以后，那个历史还会记载呢。中国大陆最伟大。
在中国有一位非常著名的演员叫陈坤，他前段时间在他的部落格上说，从今天开始我决定吃纯素，这个是对全部的，就是他的粉丝发布的讯息。然后在中国大陆还有另外一个著名的演员叫王菲，他也是公开倡导让周一请吃素，然后就是号召所有人周一都可以吃素。
Very good。
所以现在素食在大陆，就是说，你要跟别人提到素食的话，大家都不会觉得很奇怪。他们
以前会哈，
对，
现在 OK 了。
对，他们都会说在什么地方有专门的素餐厅啊，或者说我有朋友他是吃素的，就是说现在吃素在大陆变得非常普遍。
OK good。
然后福建省现在有一些佛教徒，他们就是学我们同修的榜样，他们开了很多素餐厅，其中最大的一家有1000多平方米。然后他一天最多有1000多人来吃素，并且他会保持一定的，就是说，每天都有800到1000多人来吃素。
哇哦！
然后还有一些佛教徒，他们开了一家连锁的素食餐厅，那个餐厅的名字叫妈妈的菜园。
妈妈的菜园哦，
对，
好厉害。
然后我当时有去他们其中一家餐厅吃饭，我发现他们的传单用的也都是跟我们一样的口号就跟刚才那位大陆师兄说的，
吃素环保999。
对。
现在我们已经改了，叫他们尽快跟着。Be vegan, make peace 。好，没关系，吃素环保999很好了啦 ，OK 啊。999意思说也救人民嘛，如果没地球，我们人也就完蛋了，是吗？
现在妈妈的菜园已经开了10多家。然后他们有开到另外的，有开到湖南省，他们好像准备在全国都开。
哇哦！
然后他们的模式就是说，由他们的那些佛教徒捐钱，只要你捐钱就可以做股东，然后他们就这么一家家往下开。他们就是说，不管赚不赚钱，只要推广素食，然后就有人愿意朝你们投钱。
哇哦 ，Bravo！ 佛教徒啊，终于 OK， 太好了。这样才是算佛教徒。怎么能说佛教徒让我又不吃素又不鼓励别人吃素，是什么意思嘛？然后人家鼓励人家吃素，就是人家外道。太好了，太好了，我好高兴哦。
这些佛教徒他们都是净空法师的弟子，台湾的净空法师，就是说他们非常的发心去推广素食。
净空法师的弟子，
对，非常的发心推广素食。他们在中国
功德无量，然后
他们在中国经常举行大型的传统文化的教育活动，然后所有参加这些活动的成员全是吃素。
太好了！
他们会有人专门捐钱，然后就是说赞助所有学员吃素。在厦门，他们曾经举办过活动，有4、5千人参加。
太好了，我可以退休了啊！现在有人做接待下去，我就不用工作了啊。
其中有很多政府官员也参加，中国政府有一段时间也支持他们这传统文化的活动，然后所有人都吃素。
哇哦，怎么会变化这么厉害啊？
也就是最近这几年，最近2、3年，变化的特别快。
好厉害！
本来前几年，2010年我们有开一家素食餐厅嘛，然后到后来大家就纷纷就学我们的样子开，现在越开越多。
哎呀，太好了！呀，
所以现在我们大多数同修都退休了，就只有一个师姐还在那边支撑。
什么？人家外面那么努力，你们怎么退休？我是可以退休，我是一个人啊，你们那么多人都不能退，继续努力呀！
好，谢谢师父。
不客气。 那个越多人事数越好啊 ，OK？ 救动物嘛，不是说为了救地球，他们动物很痛苦啊，所以越多人事数，动物生命越少被痛苦，不是杀而已，痛苦活得好痛苦，懂吗？你们知道了哈？哎，我是说退休而已，我还坐在这里呢，你们不要乱来。This one。
师傅你好，
Yeah.
是这样的，有一个电台叫上海广播电台，它的每天下午的3点，现在有一档的节目，就是1个小时，从2点到3点。它每周有7个主题，像周一它就是周一请吃素，从周2到周5就是绿生活啊、环保啊，还有自己做。那现在这档节目每个星期很固定，它的受众体是上海市所有的出租车司机以及就是那个汽车上的乘客。那这一档的2点到3点的节目，大多数是广播的，都是素食的宣传。
太好了，太好了，
谢谢师傅。
不客气，谢谢你们，大家努力。这样怎么能退休呢？Michelle, can you go to my house? You just go all the way to the kitchen door. Between the living room kitchen door, there's a hat and some glasses there. You bring me one, dark glasses. Yeah, over there.
师傅您好，
好。
那个最近在北京还出现了一家纯素餐厅，是免费的。
哇，免费
不管什么人，只要你去那里就免费用餐。如果你吃完了以后想打包带回去都可以。然后我觉得这样的地方就是它可能全国还有其他几个城市也有，然后北京是最近才出现的。
那个人很有钱哈。
对，他们那里面的员工都是义工，轮流去做。然后去做义工，然后也是佛教徒开的，有很多很多的普通的人，他们没吃过素的，然后也会很感兴趣的去体验。然后还有我从去年也是参加了很多的就是传统文化的学习班啊，包括带女儿去广州的南山寺，2000多人家长和孩子一起参加的一些个冬令营。然后也是全是吃素的，而且是纯素，就是不含蛋不含奶的。然后他们那个寺庙里面用的宣传素食的那个非常大的宣传，也是几乎吧都是用的我们那时候您可以选择这样生活的那个传单上的内容，包括图片都是。
图片也有
对对，也是我们那上面内容。然后当时看了很高兴，
太好了。
反正是从去年到现在，给我的感觉是在大陆，就是当初我们发传单的那些内容，真的是遍地开花。
太好了！
很多很多的城市里面，举办的各种培训班都是素食，包括养生类的。治病啊，养生类的也是纯素。
太好了！
以前他们认为的素可能还会含蛋含奶，但是现在大多数都是纯素。
太好了！
所以非常高兴，有很多人经由这样的各种各样的培训班，体验和尝到了素食，然后回去以后也就了解素食。有很多人觉得吃素很好。
What happened? Fell down?
I'm fine myself.
You still alive? No, I don't want. I'm worried about the steps. Is the step get hurt? It's broken? Thank you, love. You didn't have to run. You should fly. Are you all right, really? No, I'm joking. Are you all right, Michelle? What happened? Are you all right?
I tried to fly, but it didn't work.
First, you have to become breatharian. First, you have to be breatharian. Take some of this behind off.
I tried that too, but...
There, maybe. But you are all right?
Yes, very
good. You need any oil or anything?
Nothing.
Hurt nowhere?
Nowhere.
And the steps okay? All right, thank you. Yeah. I look like Steve Wonder lady. Steve Wonder. Yes, sorry. My eye hurt too much. I don't know, it's just so dry these days and I don't rest much. That's why. There are things to do at home and these lights. 看不到眼睛还是一样可以通过的啦。
尊敬的师父您好。
这样呀，你好。
首先，我感谢师父对大陆受灾的民众给予救援。二呢，我想呢，简单介绍一下我们大陆新一届领导班子执政为民、和平发展的观念。原来大陆的领导班子主要领导就是呢，改变了以前到哪去视察、到哪去调研，他们呢开会时不摆鲜花、不上水果，在就餐时不喝酒、不抽烟。
哦，
这么严。现在呢，这个国家主席习近平和国务院总理李克强，他们就是首先要求自己做到，到哪去会餐不上酒、不上烟。也要求别的这个干部也要这样做。在这次就餐当中，吃的就是素食、素包子和乱炖菜，再就是。
Now I want to know how the English is translating.
另外呢，就是国务院总理李克强在访问印度时候，在印度在一次宴会上，总理个人是吃素食的。
Oh, wow! The Prime Minister don't eat vegetarian now? Wow, wonderful! 太好了。
再一个呢，他呢是到哪儿视察，到包头市视察的时候，有一片棚户区。当总理看到这个情况以后，跟地方的官员讲，说你们应该尽快改善棚户区，百姓现在正在搬迁。另外，在2年之内，全国要解决1000万户棚户区的改造任务。
OK， 好好的一个总理啊，多谢他，谢谢大家。我相信他当然还可以做很多很多好事情啊，讲不完了哈。OK， 反正吃素已经很好了，吃素是最好。OK， 总理吃素，夫人吃素，总统吃素，种种都吃素，太好了。谢谢你好消息，我也是感恩你们呐，努力修行嘛，把那个气氛化解啊，变成越来越好。Okay, next one.
Some of the benefits of a vegetarian diet: lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol levels, reduces type 2 diabetes, prevents stroke conditions, reverses atherosclerosis, reduces heart disease risk 50%, reduces heart surgery risk 80%, prevents many forms of cancer, stronger immune system, increases life expectancy up to 15 years, higher IQ, saves 70% of a total cost of $40 trillion for reducing global warming, uses 4.5 times less land to grow food, conserves up to 70% clean water, saves 80% of the cleared Amazonian rainforest from animal grazing, a solution for world hunger, free up 3.4 billion hectares of land, free up 760 million tons of grain every year, half the world's grain supply, consumes 1/3 fossil fuels of those used for meat production, reduces pollution from untreated animal waste, maintains cleaner air, saves 4.5 tons of emissions per US household per year, stop 80% of global warming, plus more. Save your life. Be veg, go green. For more urgent information, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/beveg.
Hi. Yes, please. English. Give you 2 microphones.
I come from the Auckland Centre in New Zealand. And in New Zealand, we don't have so many of the cheeses, the vegan cheeses that you have here. Yeah. So it's been lovely trying them, actually.
Did you have them here?
I had some in your kitchen. They were
in
delicious.
my kitchen.
Yes,
but they don't have it outside. Huh?
Not so many.
It's not that so many.
No.
It's not possible to give all of you cheese like that here. They don't produce that much yet.
Yeah, that's
okay?
right.
So whatever they buy for me, you can have. That's it.
Thank you.
That's why the other day I asked whether tomorrow we still can buy or not, because they keep buying, and maybe the shop don't have anymore.
So what I really wanted for New Zealand, particularly because we're such a dairying nation, and everybody loves cheese too much, you know.
Of course. Because before you have a lot of cheese, and now you don't have.
That's right.
So vegan cheese is very welcome, eh?
Exactly. So what I was thinking was to try to make some, and I was hoping for some inspiration. And thank you, Master, for all the blessing and inspiration you've given, because I found online there was a company in America doing raw food cheese, raw nut cheese.
Oh.
And they're aged cheeses, and they're also probiotics, so really good for your stomach.
Yeah.
And very healthy ingredients, very few ingredients, and truly raw.
Good.
And
you eat raw?
Well, I've had my moments of eating raw, but not all the time. No. And so I basically, there is no recipe, but with inspiration, I found the way to age the cheeses and to...
you know how, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And they've been making firm cheese, and they're delicious. They're really good. I've been giving some to the brothers and sisters at the centre in New Zealand.
You didn't bring any?
I couldn't. Well, I didn't think I could. Maybe I could have, sorry.
Just want to taste it.
Yeah.
How it looks, how it feels.
Next time
it's
I
good. At least you can make it for yourself. I'm happy.
Yes. And I also took it to the market to ask them if they would like me to sell, because I'm hoping to sell to the general public how people turn vegan.
Yeah. Make a company.
Yeah. And they loved it. And not only that, when the lady, she saw the cheeses, she said, come to the restaurant. We have just a normal restaurant, and the chef wanted to buy them as well for his, because more people are going raw.
Oh, you're going to get rich. Okay.
I don't think so, but I'm just really pleased, to help people change.
Why not? Everybody start like that. Every big business start like that.
Yeah, and thank you
just
for your
one
blessing.
idea, and then it get bigger all the time. Good luck. Okay, otherwise you could ask for the address there and they send it to New Zealand. It would be more expensive, right? You buy a big carton, huh?
Yeah, and to bring them over,
with all the disciples, and so my big cargo, and then eat slowly every day. Yeah?
师父您好。
你好。
我是一个无神论者，但我修观音法门以后，我觉得完全改变了啊。我在修行路上，就是遇到了一个，就是我内在的体验以后，我没掌握住，我自己没定住，最后一直就超越不上去，所以我想让师父在灵性开示上给我们大陆多开一点。我想我们修行上还怎样再超越，
还是继续修啊。
我因为我超越不快这一块。就是这儿出了一大窟窿，又是风又是水，又这一块我没定住，然后我就不知道怎样才能超越。因为您给我们讲到，我们要修行必须得要到5界，那如果没有那个里边内在的东西，是不是也能到5界？
慢来会啊，一个一个上来啊，你就看到一个那个很远的那种隧道是吗？
还是风雨啊哈？这个地方我这儿出了一大洞
啊哈，
然后这一串一串东西往外跑
啊，那个是灵魂出去跑到比较高一点的境界去了。人家死亡啊都会有那种情况啊，多数的人会有那种情况，所以你就死了就回来嘛，就是这样。
因为我怕死，所以就没死了。
慢来慢来 OK 慢来 OK 你看他的时候你不要看风景了，你是多注意看到前面就好了 OK 然后他那个会打开 OK 不是说那么快了，不是说那么快能够到第5界了，因为我们整个辈子做太多业障哈，还有国家的功业哈，还有世界的功业 OK
是
耐心嘛好不好？
我知道我做了很多坏事我也知道
我不知道你做什么坏事我就讲而已了不要告诉大家我意思说大家了不是你一个人了啊，所以那个我们修行就比较被业障那个阻挡一下，要耐心 OK 要耐心，你这样已经很好了，很多人那个世俗啊做好事整个辈子也没有上你那种境界，还没上到那边哦 OK 所以不要贪心嘛
我一直不敢问，因为我怕有我执，还
有
一个我怕泄露天机，所以有时候就一直也不敢问
不会了好了你修得很好已经年纪那么大又那么能那么专心，既然业障那么多还能够爬到那边已经了不起了，恭喜 OK
我觉得这都是师父，全是师父的帮忙，我知道我感恩师父，非常感恩。
不客气
师父你好，我今年16岁，然后我之前有在画室画画，然后我不是吃素嘛，然后就是同学们都就开始以为我只说着玩的，但是我每天都在吃，然后我有跟他们讲过，但是他们没有特别大的那种反响，然后我就做我自己的，然后他们跟我一起吃素，我不会跟他们就是一直讲吃素的好处，然后我就每天这个样子，几个月下来他们也有会发现。然后我们画室的那个老师就是相当于校长吧，然后也是这样慢慢影响，然后跟我爸爸妈妈了解一些吃素的事情，然后他们打算以后在画室当中推广吃素，然后如果他能在下一年这样推广，我觉得会帮助到很多的像我们这种未成年人的。
OK 好谢谢Wollen Sie etwas? Von mir? Old people, huh? You seen me already, right? Huh? Yes. Vietnamese? Chinese? Who are the Vietnamese? Raise hand. Vietnamese in US? Vietnamese in Europe? How many? 2, 3, 4? All from America? Oh my God. All this come here to take away our country. To invade, huh? The Vietnamese are more in America, right? Okay. Do you want to ask me anything? Sorry, my eye is not good. Can I have a quick look? If you don't have anything to ask, then just look. Oh. If we don't talk, maybe we turn off the light, huh? Okay. What? Why do you clap all the time? Even just turn off the light, you clap. Then I don't have to talk. I just sit there and turn off, turn on, turn on. You all speak English, yeah? All of you? Yes. The one from here and the one from there all speak English? Yes. That's wonderful. The Vietnamese in America, raise hand. And who are you? Indonesian. Indonesian. But you all understand English. How about up there?
Working team.
Working team speak English?
Yes.
Wonderful. So smart. Today you don't dare to cook special for me anymore. I see that. No need. I could not even eat anything much. Yeah? Just I eat with you guys. Symbolic. There we're together. Huh? No need to cook special for me because I pay the same like you do. So I cannot eat more than what you have. No, it's true. correct, no? You still there, Vincent? Your restaurant already somebody take care, huh? How much longer you stay here? Till the end. Wow, wonderful. The Vietnamese will be happy. All the English people will be happy because you translate excellent. You both language are good. Thank you. You stay okay? Your wife will not beat me up or anything?
She's here right
I know, but till the end, she's not here.
She's outside.
She's outside. All right. She also stay with you until the end?
She's going back in a few days.
Oh, somebody has to take care, right?
Yes.
She can't translate?
She cannot translate. No.
You're more professional, eh? You've been with me so many years, always translating everywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you for your service all these years.
Thank you, Master.
Yeah. So if you don't have anything to say, we just look, huh? What else to do? I like this chair. Ah, very nice. Ah, nice. Huh? It doesn't have to be so big, but it's harder, it's nicer. The soft chair, I feel like the spine has to work extra hard. My bed also just a piece of wood, and they put the four legs underneath. And I also have very thin cushion like this, so it's hard, Normally, don't need the cushion, also fine, but then my bones become older. I'm afraid that I damage the wood, so we have to put a cushion to protect the bed. It's very nice. Where from? Indonesia also? Look like, no? I used to have a nice house before, and I decorate with a lot of things from Indonesia. Not only, but a lot. Okay, guys. We go meditate, yeah? Look enough, no? Look enough, yeah? Tired, no?
Dạ không.
Không, ok. Mấy đồng chí nào có muốn hỏi gì nữa không? Hết rồi hả? Oh, this is nice. Oh my God. It's a nice chair. Yeah. It's a little bit too high, but like this you can see me from the back, right? It's good. I like it when a good question and even report, short, simple, easy. Yeah. But otherwise we waste too much time, Every minute is precious. If nothing important, then we should go meditate because your time here also very limited. We see you in the garden. Anything special Indonesian you want to ask? You can see I wear your clothes. The batik clothes. Yeah, very comfortable. Very light. Good for summer. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you to you. Beautiful clothes. Pretty, pretty, pretty. You like?
Yes.
You can buy. They sell it anywhere, right?
It's very beautiful.
Indonesia. One of the fastest growing economy. Yeah. Wonderful, eh? Because good karma, yeah? People meditate a lot, maybe that's why, yeah? That's why you look good. Sehr gut. Gratuliere. Ich. Okay, I'm going now. You go meditate, I'll be with you later, huh?
Thank you.
Hey, here it look very bright. But not as, this is too bright. Upstairs is just right. No, don't be surprised if I don't ever sit here again. Huh? Okay. I told you I'm beautiful. Me and her both look beautiful. Blonde chick.
Both 16.
Yeah, both 16. 16 turn around.
And beautiful costume as well.
Oh,
Really
yeah. Very nice. I like it very much.
Very beautiful.
It's a batik from Indonesia.
Amazing.
Special.
You look so beautiful.
Thailand also they make this kind of thing. Very light, you know? It's so nice in summer. You wear it, but you don't feel like you wear it. I hate clothes, I have to tell you honestly. Oh, truly. You know? Tight here, and tight there. And, oh, God. That's why I like to be alone in my cave, so I don't have to prove that I have money to buy clothes. Understand? Yeah. I like it very much right now because it's very light, as if you don't wear anything.
Very comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable. Yeah.
Thank you.
For love, I have to do all this.
Thank you, Mama.
But I'm used to it now. I'm used to it with all this theater and stuff here. When I first came, I was too lazy to even wear any clothes. I mean, any special clothes. Yeah, I didn't bother ironing, nothing. Just so used to it being comfortable and simple. But I'm get used to it now. And, now I can wear things.
You're like a movie star now.
Okay. When I first came, it was really major. Don't feel like doing it, you know? Don't feel like coming. And then when coming, don't feel like doing it. And now I'm used to it again, okay? Right, see you later.
Thank you.
When association members convene from around the world, Supreme Master Ching Hai occasionally meets with groups of different nationalities. In a session during this international gathering in Europe, Supreme Master Ching Hai spoke with our Indonesian association members.
You leave tomorrow already? So much, thank you. Love you guys. You leave so quick. Must work, right?
My little boy.
That's a work. That's more important work than any other work that you can imagine. Yeah?
Can I ask you a question, Lola?
Sure.
So he's half Indonesian? And, little boys play with guns and, lots of, violent sort of. You should tell him no, take it all the way.
Tell him no.
Take it all the way. Okay.
Tell him no.
It sort of sneaks in,
I know it. Because other children play.
Yeah.
Tell him, of course, you can play if you want to.
Okay.
But you think.
Okay.
It would be better if you begin, more peaceful game. Tell him all the logic and ask him which one would he like to choose.
Okay.
Yeah. But if other boy come and if it has to be, then let him play. But tell him that would have been better if you train your mind.
Okay.
From young to be more peaceful wearer. Don't say peace. Peaceful wearer. Okay. All right. Yeah. You stick to your father.
Okay.
More, okay? He's a good example. Very good man. Good to have her as a father.
Master, please, I'm not from Ghana.
Yes.
But there's a center in Ghana that love you so much because we talk to them.
Yeah.
They making their own food, and they do their retreats like every weekend.
Yeah, I know that.
So we beg for your blessing.
Bring some food, okay? Okay. Listen, do you hear that?
Yes, Master.
Can you buy some? And if they don't
Yes.
have enough, take some of my money and buy
Yes, Master.
a lot for these people who send home. Okay?
Thank you so much, Master.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. And tell them to mix it with other things.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And pray before they eat.
Okay.
Then it will be the same.
Okay.
As
Thank you
if I
very
was
much.
there. You can take a basket. Yeah, bye. And send it. Okay. With a lot of love and 5 names and prayers for your country.
You'll be very happy, Master.
A lot of love for me. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Master.
Yeah, the one who don't have the. They don't have this in their country. Come. Thank you, Master.
Thank you.
I also never had it before until I come here. Yes, sir?
Thank you, Master.
Yes. Only for people because I don't have them in that country. You have them in Mexico?
What are they called?
This donut peaches. I only like that peach.
We don't have flat peaches. We just have the normal round peaches.
Yeah? Oh, who is behind that? Do you have all the cakes and candies you share with each other? Yeah? You have two of you?
We had McDonald's.
Okay. All right. See you later. I want to see the Indonesian now. Wow. Cakes, candies. Indonesian?
Yes.
One more.
Yes.
Indonesian?
Yes.
Thai?
Hi.
Yeah, sorry, together, huh? Yeah. Similar, right? I don't know who's Indonesian, who's Thai. They look the same, huh? Yeah, see that?
Yes.
As long as we're together, yeah?
Yes.
These are for the Indonesian and the Thai people only. Everybody else can look and... eh? One each. Yeah. For my kitchen. One each. If don't have that, then have this. And the Thai. Yeah, of course. Not for the Westerner, they ate already. They ate all my kitchen. One each, huh? This is special, eh? In the hall don't have, yeah? How you say, how are you? One person only.
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Apa kabar? That means I'm okay, yeah? And how you say thank you?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih? Oh, I could learn easy. Terima kasih. So, I need some muscle. Open it. That's a good thing of being a woman. You can always, I can. Please. You can always pretend you can, yeah? And the man feel good. Oh, yeah. Come here, give it to me. I'll do it for you. And that's also a privilege of being a man. Never have to ask any other to do things for you. You do it all yourself. Yeah. Maybe not enough, so you share 2 for 1 person, not 2 each. 2 person each. Yeah. Go ahead. Turn around. Yeah, boy, have to be big because they can open can for me. They can open boxes and, with their bare hand. Yeah. No need scissor. If I have a man, I don't need a can opener. I don't need a beer opener. I don't need a scissor. I don't need a knife. He does everything. Cha. Tofu power. How many hours from Indonesia? 15 hours. 15 hours. Okay. I ask you guys a favor, please. This table and chair. I never use it. Go outside. Tofu power, move it. Move mountain for me. Yeah. I used to have gas sometimes. So they prepare it so we can eat with the gas.
Okay.
But now,
No more.
if we have gas, then we move it back. Right now, my guests are more important. All the VIPs are here. Turn around, turn it. If it can go in, then it can go out, no? See? I need a muscle, but he need brain. So that we women have power here. And they have power, they're only. Okay. Yeah, you see, nice, Thai people can move here. Bon, yeah, see. Oh my God, the exercise chair can go to also the other corner. They're very nice. They want me to grow taller and by hanging me down. but I haven't got a chance. I couldn't care less. After 60 something, you don't care if you're tall or short or fat or skinny anymore, right? Not right. You don't know anything. You're only 16. Now you care. You care about your hair, fingernails, your teeth, everything. Wherever you can sit, you sit, okay? Yeah, because only listening and looking, yeah? There's no need to have a lot of room, no? You guys are comfortable, everybody? Even though so many people, you okay? I love this chair. It's always sliding me down, you know? I want to go up, I don't want to go down. This chair, look big, but uncomfy. Can't even lay on it. You can't even sit on it. Look at that, huh? Okay, this one is not from Indonesia. The outside, inside, no. Do you guys have cakes behind there? Everybody have enough? I mean, the Indonesian and the Thai, everybody something, one?
Yes.
Who don't have? Raise hand. Oh, what happened? Where have you been? Where did you go? No. Here. No, that was special for my kitchen. Thank you, muscle. The one who don't have? There, it's symbolic. I give you this one, it's heavy, it's easier to throw. If I throw this guy will eat it. Because it's too light, it will fall in the front. And then they will eat it, and then you have nothing. One more there, guy, behind there. See, oh. You see, this is so light, you see that? Maximum is just go there, that's it. This is too light, it don't go anywhere. Oh, this is heavy a little bit. See? Can only go there. Here you are. This fly, they fly. Because it's too light, you see what I mean? Okay. Okay, the rest, yeah. Give it to you then. Yeah. One each, yeah? Whatever. Yeah. If we have it, then we take it, nah? Who knows, maybe tomorrow we're not here anymore, nobody eats. Take one, yeah. Here also, yeah, the left side, not just the right side all the time. Balance. Jakarta?
Yeah.
All of you?
Yeah.
Bali?
Medan. Jakarta.
Hatta? Jakarta.
Surabaya.
Surabaya. Bali. Medan. Jakarta. Jogja. Oh, okay. Wow. Indonesia, thousands of islands, hey? Ask your government, give us one. We make a country. Sub-Indonesia. Or Indonesia number 2. And then everybody will go there, huh? Country even more developed, yeah. I like your country because the government make you speak English. Right. Either that or Indonesian. But most of you speak English, right? It's not obligatory? No?
When in the high school, the book is
easy English.
In the high school, the subject, the book in English.
The book's in English?
Yes.
Wow! What an enlightened government. I love your country. Love your government. No wonder you develop. You got to be open, you know? Open, khai lãng, open. Open-minded, I mean, eh? Yeah, don't open your shirt. Yeah, and like that you can have international business transaction contact, easy, yeah? People feel good when they go to your country. Whatever left, eat it off. For other people behind there. Leftover, whoever don't have, go behind there have some. Another Westerner maybe. They're drooling long enough, give them some. You understand my English, all right. Westerner. These two cameras are also Westerner. Anybody don't look yellow and black hair, that's Westerner. So, it's not much, it's just symbolic that you don't forget the hard workers. Yeah? It's not like they can be fat with one like that. But is there anything left for you guys there? You can, everyone put a finger, try, taste it. Okay. Oh, still have some left over? Yeah. Wow. It's like miracle. Jesus must have been touching that basket. Thank you, my Lord. I thought Indonesian, Muslim, no?
Yes.
Strong Muslim country. Oh, sorry. Then I have to say, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, must have touched that basket. Otherwise, multiply, It wasn't full, it was just a little on the bottom. A lot of people still have. Don't eat the paper. Yeah, but there's some more if you want. Okay, whatever. You stay here, you can have more chance. Give it to Olive. He's skinny, you fat enough. Not fat, but well fed. Okay, done?
Done.
Are you sure nothing in there? Yeah. Underneath. See, have one. See? So, most of you are Muslim? Buddhist? Hindu? Catholic?
Buddha.
Buddhist? Not Buddha. Okay, maybe you are Buddha. Yes. All of you are Buddha. Yeah? Either little Buddha or big Buddha. Yeah? Buddha already or going to be Buddha. Huh? Yes. So Indonesia is very open, eh? All kind of religion. The government is very, very, how you say, modern, eh? Good, eh? Enlightened government. It's good for you. That's why your country is prosperous, yeah? But that's only material things, yes. If the government really also practice Kuan Yin method with us, then, oh, wow. Wow, Indonesia flying, yeah. Yeah, Allah bless you.
The population, the most are Muslim.
If the majority of people are Muslims, then that I will just say it's a Muslim country. But it's not like a national religion, right? Yeah, I remember it's a very open country, you know? When I went there, I see Buddhist temple and Catholic churches and Hindu worshiping place, you know? Pura? Temple. Pura, yeah. Yeah, so it's very, very good. And it's even better now, yeah? I'm sure it get better all the time. The country get richer now, more developed. For the majority people, a comfortable life, no? In Indonesia, you don't need much, right? Country, very comfortable weather, no? Yeah, all you need is a few batik dress like that. Run around all day, and then if it's hard, you wash it, you hang it, it dry in 2 minutes, then you wear it again. Yeah, the clothes is almost like paper, It dries so quick in the sun, and you have plenty sun, right? You have solar power now in your country? Not yet? Not starting.
In the highway.
Traffic.
Highway have. They make light, yeah? Street light. Oh, that's also already something. It's very
Now
good.
almost on the big city with
Usenet. Yeah.
Usenet.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah, slowly they make more, eh? Because solar light, you just make it one time and then you don't have to spend electricity. In my house, I have some solar lamp around the garden and the pathway. Yeah. There's some very bright. Yeah, very bright. You don't even need any other light. It's so bright. It's, behind here, they make some too bright. I have to take some away and to take it off. Too bright at night to meditate, Yeah, very bright. And if my dog's there, they feel too bright to sleep, so I had to take some away. That bright, you know? Just 2, 3 or 4 of them, so bright like daylight on the street, and it shines through the window, glass window, very, very bright. At home, if you have garden light lamp, you should replace it with solar lamp. Maybe in the beginning you buy it a little bit expensive, but then in the long run you don't pay electricity. Number one, you conserve the energy of your nation, yeah, and save the energy of the world. You know, electricity is very expensive to make, and need constant maintenance and high maintenance as well. And sometimes they are not that reliable. If they use nuclear power, then it's very dangerous sometimes, especially in country with a lot of earthquake potential. It's dangerous. Is there anything you want to tell me about your country, your center, your activities, your power? No? A lot of people in your country become vegetarian now?
Yes. Increasing.
Increasing, yes. There was one person, he's a kind of a council of Indian in Jakarta or Surabaya, I think. Is he still there?
Yes.
Yes? He's old now, huh? I guess cannot travel anymore, huh?
I think so.
If you see him, tell him I love him. I miss the guy. Yeah. You bring some back to him, okay? Like something. I don't have any other thing here. So, you give it to him. You know him, right?
Yes.
He's a very, very sweet Indian. Lovely, lovely person. He's one of the first brothers in Indonesia. He's pretty old now. Very nice. And there's another person, you know, also owner of the cinema in Surabaya?
Yes.
Or was it in Jakarta?
Mr. Tang.
Is he still okay, Mr. Tang? Oh, now, huh?
You open Laughing Heart right now.
Oh, busy, huh? Okay. Lovely people. The first Indonesian I met. Gave very good impression. Yeah. Give me good food. Yeah. And he was very, very hospitable and respectful. Give me good room, cook food every day. You know, his family, the whole family was kind of serving me with all love and respect. Mr. Tang. And in Hindu council, also the same. Yes. He's like a representative of the Indian in Surabaya. Was old man, not that old at that time, but very wise, very, very enlightened person, very spiritual, like many of the Indians, so respectful. In his house, you will see, I don't know how many hundreds of gurus in his house, you know, all kind of, you know, past, present, and maybe future guru. Whatever he saw in the vision. And Qinghai was also there. One of the photos is a Qinghai. A special place he put. Special altar, yes. It's a very beautiful person. I had very good impression of Indonesian when I visited your country a couple of times. Yeah. So you don't have anything you want to ask me or tell me? And you were too shy in there? Too many people. Grabbing microphone is difficult. More than getting enlightenment. Huh? The microphone in the hall, yeah? Very difficult. Tell me.
I just would like to tell you one good story, good news about our governor in Bali is vegetarian now.
Oh, yes? Just now? Oh, he's a new person who already been vegetarian.
A new one. Actually, he's the one who signed the petition for Friday meat free.
Wow.
Organic also.
Organic.
He promises the IPCC, when he come back to Bali for the conference, he will see Bali is an organic island.
And
this will be in 2014.
Has it become now? Yeah?
Yes, it started in the northern part of Bali.
Yes.
My name is Kenneth Williams. I'm the world's first vegan bodybuilder champion and national spokesperson. 21st century athlete, if he wants to move further in his and her development, they're going to have to come to grips with eating properly.
So we have the power to really, imagine the future and to affect it if we want to. So
I believe we need to treat all life with incredible respect. And
every decision that we can make every day is going to make a difference to the planet. And
vegan diet, everybody wins. Really, all the Earthlings win on that one.
Shakyamuni Buddha, Jesus Christ, St. Francis of Assisi, Leonardo da Vinci, Shania Twain, Leo Tolstoy, Albert Einstein, Alicia Silverstone, Tobey Maguire, Joaquin Phoenix, Pamela Anderson. What do these distinguished people of the past and present have in common? They represent the circle of vegetarian and vegan elite and some of the most gifted and accomplished people in the world.
have to follow what Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world, then we have to start with ourselves. And one way that we can make a major difference is to reduce our meat consumption.
It's a win-win-win situation. It's good for the environment, it's good for people, it's good for animals.
10 billion farm animals are killed every single year in America, and that's 1 million animals per hour. That's astounding. 1 million animals per hour are slaughtered for food. That really disturbs me.
So considering all these aspects, it's better to switch to vegetarianism, which will bring back nature's harmony and has a purifying effect.
They are some of the countless noble examples of compassion and wisdom. So keep in good company with the noble circle of vegetarian and vegan elite. And the list goes on. Please visit www.suprememastertv.com/VE for further club list and info. Choose veggie and join the club.
You know, the first vegetarian meal I eat in Indonesia, apart from in your brother's house, yeah, that is in Bali. And they make beautiful chocolate cakes and vegan drink, vegan cocktails. Oh, that's a lovely restaurant. I forgot what the name. Closed already? Why?
Because they built a big hotel.
Big hotel there?
Yes.
And then where does the restaurant go?
I don't know, because maybe the hotel is better business than
The same people?
the same people. I know him.
Oh yeah? The same people who open a vegetarian restaurant or open a hotel? And inside there no vegetarian restaurant anymore inside? Maybe included inside, right?
They haven't finished the thing.
So probably it's to be included inside, huh? Yes.
We hope so.
Okay. If not, I'm not going back to Bali.
But we have a lot of vegetarian restaurants in Bali.
Yeah? Now a lot, huh? Wow, hot, eh? You don't feel hot? I feel like I'm in Bali already. Nice weather all the time, huh? In your country. But how come you don't look blackened? Meditate all day in the house. Huh? Yeah. It's funny, it's a hot country, but none of you look like him. So how many Westerners behind there? Only you guys? That's it, right? That's the end, huh?
Yeah.
The frontier. Okay, just want to see you, say hello, and if you don't want to ask me anything and anymore or tell me anything, then we go meditate, huh?
Thank you.
Love you.
Yeah. This is amazing. Like ever.
Just a little bit.
Amazing experience. My mother has a dream.
Yeah,
Wearing a batik and then wearing
high heel.
shoes.
High heel, yeah.
And then you.
Your mother.
She's here.
Where? You saw me wear batik? Yeah. So I have to do it now just to prove that she's right. You happy now, mother? All these days I wear batik all the time. It's so comfortable. It's not much to button and all that, I hate I hate button. So,
Do you know batik now is under UNESCO World Heritage?
oh, really?
It's one of the World Heritage.
Congratulations.
So
Yeah.
every Friday in Indonesia, most of the office people they wear batik.
Oh, really? Yeah. Tell them I do the same every
Thank you, Master, for showing love for Indonesian people.
Oh, I love everyone. Just I'm very proud of you guys because I have not enough chance to go there to see you. One time I went there and there was a president election or something. I couldn't say anything. Just come look and then go. They forbid microphone and everything. But that time, yeah. I guess in every country it's the same. When election they get nervous, you know. Or when you go somewhere near president or something to do with president, they got so scared. Yeah, they shouldn't be. I wasn't Indonesian. I'm not in any political party. I'm so nice and sweet. I would, if I say something, I would say, "Oh, good country, good government, good batik." Yeah. Yeah, they shouldn't be afraid of me. Every country should never be afraid of me. I'm the person that should be at least afraid, right?
Yeah.
I come just to make your country better and tell people to behave better. Yes, to work with the government, to save the country, to love each other, that's all. There's nothing, nothing will be harmful. All right, okay. I go? Thank you very much. I love you. Thanks for coming. I love you. Say hello to all the people at home, yeah? We meditate now, okay guys? Yeah? In my new pajama, I can meditate. There's no room over there. Only here, the best place. You can sit. Okay, huh? Yeah. Any last question before you die? No? And now we can meditate, huh? Okay. Yeah, I see you. Anybody I don't see? Anyone who's not here? Okay. You have seen, right? You came, you seen, you partied, huh? Now we meditate. Can you see me behind there? Yeah? Oh, I don't hear anything. Okay. I'm coming. Have a look. Yeah? Because we don't have enough room inside to look, so we look here. Okay, guys. Everything good?
Yes.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised that 100 people still can sit in such a small area like this. At least we can, huh? Yes, we can, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. After I die, you will know that we have big temple. So if you don't want to sit in such a tight place, you wait until I die.
We prefer small.
Oh no.
Prefer small. Yeah. Yeah, mostly like that. Yeah. You see how big are the temples? And here you have to sit on the floor. But you okay, huh?
Yes.
Okay, listen. I just told you because she said every time she see me, she cry. I said, okay, at least you lost some weight, by the way. Yeah. And then I say the fat people should cry more. Yeah. Come to see Master. And then lose weight at the same time. No charge, yeah? And I asked if anybody became breatharian yet, and you say not yet, right? And I say no hurry. When we die, we become all breatharian, huh? Did you ever see anyone after death and still not breatharian? He doesn't have any more breath anyway. And not only you became breatharian after you die, you also become very charitable. Anybody scold you, you keep quiet. Anybody tell you go in the coffin, you humbly obey. Go in the coffin. And you give everything that you still have to the worms and to the, bacteria in the ground. So if anybody say you don't know what charity means, you will know, yeah? After everything you left behind, your body also will be offered to charity. Okay.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Be vegan, make peace. For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com.